Welcome to Great Garden. If you want your orchid to go from this to this, then make sure you watch the entire video. Today, I'm going to reveal a very simple organic fertilizer recipe made entirely from familiar ingredients you already have in your kitchen. After 10 years of using this method, I've seen truly impressive results. Strong, firm, white roots. Leaves that turn green, smooth, and glossy. Buds appearing evenly, blooming all at once, and producing clusters of flowers that last longer and are far more vibrant than with traditional growing methods. Let's get started. To create this organic fertilizer formula, the first ingredient I use is rice. Rice is rich in B vitamins, minerals, and starch, natural nutrients that help stimulate root growth, revive weak plants, and keep the leaves healthy and green. I put 3 tablespoons of rice into a clean glass cup. Next, add 500 milliliters of hot water and stir well so the rice begins to release its starch and natural nutrients. This step helps release vitamins, minerals, and starch from the rice grains, creating a gentle, nutrient-rich solution that plants can easily absorb. Finally, cover it and let it sit for 1 hour. While the rice is soaking, I gently pre-water the plants. This step plays an essential role in the fertilizing process. To prevent your orchids from experiencing root shock when receiving the nutrient solution, their roots need to be moistened first. When the growing medium is sufficiently hydrated, the roots wake up, soften, and become ready to absorb nutrients more safely and effectively. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Pre-watering also helps the fertilizer disperse evenly throughout the growing medium, reducing the risk of root burn and creating favorable conditions for beneficial microorganisms to thrive. It's a simple step that delivers significant benefits, especially for weak orchids, those lacking vitality or plants that haven't been fertilized for a long time. After 1 hour, when the rice solution has fully steeped, we strain out the solids and keep only the pure liquid. This liquid is a natural, gentle yet mineral-rich nutrient source that helps the plant recover quickly and grow steadily. Then add 1 liter of water to dilute the solution. And that's it. The mixture is now ready to use as an organic fertilizer. Let's go ahead and apply it to your orchids. Method 1. Watering the roots. First, I pour the diluted rice water solution into a specialized watering can. Then, gently water evenly around the base of the orchid, so the solution gradually seeps into the growing medium and directly reaches the roots. The rice water, rich in B vitamins, minerals, and organic nutrients, helps the roots grow quickly, become plump, white, and healthy. You should water once a week, and once the plant recovers, you can reduce it to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain steady nutrition. Water gently, avoiding overwatering, so the growing medium stays airy and the roots can absorb nutrients optimally. Besides orchids, you can also use the rice water solution to water anthuriums. Gently water around the base. This solution provides natural nutrients, vitamins, and minerals, stimulating healthy root growth, boosting resistance, supporting even development of new shoots and young leaves, and keeping the anthurium lush with vibrant leaves and strong, healthy growth. The recommended watering frequency is once a week, then reduced to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain consistent nutrition. Method 2. Next, pour the prepared rice water solution into a small cup. Then, use a soft cloth or cotton pad to gently dab the solution and carefully wipe each leaf of the orchid. While wiping, the solution helps remove dust, mineral deposits, and residue on the leaves, while the rice nutrients aid in quick recovery, leaving the leaves green, smooth, and glossy. Make sure to wipe both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves so the nutrients are evenly absorbed, improving photosynthesis, boosting resistance, and reducing pests. This method should be done 1 to 2 times per week and is especially effective for orchids with dull leaves or those that haven't been cared for in a while. Besides orchids, you can also wipe the leaves of other garden plants. Here, I'll wipe the leaves of a peace lily. Just like with orchids, use a soft cloth or cotton pad soaked in the rice water solution and carefully gently wipe each leaf surface. This helps remove dust, mineral deposits, and harmful agents from the leaves while providing natural nutrients that keep them glossy, healthy, and improve photosynthesis. For the thick, sturdy leaves of a peace lily, make sure to wipe both the upper and lower surfaces so the nutrients penetrate deeply, boosting resistance and preventing pests. This method should be done 1 to 2 times per week and is especially useful for weak plants, those with dull leaves, or those that haven't been cared for in a while. Method 3. Misting. Pour the rice water solution into a specialized spray bottle and mist evenly over the plant, covering the leaves, stems, roots, and leaf axils. Misting helps the organic nutrients, vitamins, and minerals evenly reach all parts of the plant, forming a natural protective layer against bacteria, mold, and pests, while promoting glossy leaves, efficient photosynthesis, and uniform growth. Spray once a week during the first month, then reduce to once a month to maintain long-lasting benefits. After spraying, let the plant rest for about 15 minutes to allow the roots and leaves to absorb the nutrients. If water remains on the leaves or in the leaf axils, gently wipe it off with a soft cloth or clean cotton to prevent creating a favorable environment for fungal growth. Once the leaves are completely dry, you've actively blocked harmful agents, reduced the risk of leaf or tip rot, and kept the plant healthy with thick, glossy, and vibrant foliage. Since we have the rice water solution ready, I'll also mist the peace lily. Gently spray around the base and over the leaves and stems, allowing the solution to evenly penetrate the roots and all parts of the plant. Misting with rice water delivers natural organic nutrients, vitamins, and minerals directly to the roots, boosting resistance and helping the plant fight fungi, bacteria, and pests. It also stimulates even growth of new shoots and leaf buds, keeping the plant lush, healthy, and strong. You should spray once a week, then reduce to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain steady nutrition for the plant. For peace lilies, whose leaves are thicker and sturdier than orchids, there's no need to wipe the leaves after spraying. The nutrients from the rice water will naturally absorb through the leaves and nourish the plant directly. Any leftover solution, I pour into an ice cube tray and store it in the freezer for longer preservation. When the solution freezes into small ice cubes, many people have the habit of placing the frozen cubes directly at the base of the plant, which is completely wrong. Instead, place 3 to 5 ice cubes in a cup and wait about 15 minutes for them to fully melt. After 15 minutes, when the water reaches room temperature, pour the melted solution into each orchid pot. The nutrients and compounds from turmeric powder and rice, rich in vitamins, minerals, and organic starch, are easily absorbed by the plant, supporting root growth, boosting resistance, and promoting glossy, healthy leaves. After 2 months of care, the results are truly remarkable. The orchid leaves have become lush, thick, and glossy, with new leaves bursting with vitality. light is absorbed optimally for efficient photosynthesis, keeping the plant healthy. The root system has grown strong, with many plump, white roots firmly anchoring into the medium, absorbing water and nutrients effectively, creating a solid foundation for the entire plant, whether it's a long-established orchid or a newly cared-for one. Flower spikes and buds are steady and robust, ready to bloom into vibrant, fresh flowers that catch everyone's attention, from children to older adults. Buds appear abundantly, large, bright in color, long-lasting, and bloom in succession, transforming the orchid pot into a lively display full of energy, bringing joy and relaxation to anyone who admires it, from the skillful hands of the young to the refined taste of older enthusiasts. These results prove that with the right care method, anyone can have a beautiful, healthy orchid that blooms brilliantly, bringing daily delight and inspiration. This is a well-deserved reward for your persistent care. When properly nurtured, the orchid responds with abundant vitality and brilliant natural beauty. Enjoy every moment of tending to your orchids. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the latest orchid care tips. Goodbye, and see you in the next video on the Great Garden channel.